Welcome to Santorini, Greece, a paradise on earth where the sun kisses the sea and every corner feels like a postcard come to life. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just dreaming of a getaway, this 4K travel video will take you on an unforgettable journey through one of the most iconic destinations in the world. From its stunning views to its hidden gems, we've got the latest on Santorini, so let's dive in. First stop, the picture-perfect village of Oia. Famous for its blue-domed churches, narrow cobblestone streets and jaw-dropping sunsets, Oia is the heart and soul of Santorini. As we walk through this charming village, you'll see why it's a must-visit for every traveler. And don't forget to bring your camera. Every angle here is Instagram-worthy. Take a stroll through Oia's winding streets where you'll find boutique shops, art galleries and cozy cafes. Stop by a local bakery to try kuffeto, a traditional almond sweet, or sip on a glass of Akrotiri wine, a specialty of Santorini. And if you're here in March or April, you'll enjoy fewer crowds and perfect weather for exploring. The spring months are ideal for capturing the island's beauty without the summer rush. Next up, we're heading to Fira, the vibrant capital of Santorini. Known for its lively atmosphere, Fira offers a mix of history, culture and modern amenities. Here you can visit the Archaeological Museum of Thera, shop for souvenirs or simply enjoy the stunning views of the Caldera. Fira is also a hub for nightlife, with plenty of bars and restaurants offering live music and traditional Greek entertainment. One of the best ways to experience Fira is by taking the cable car down to the old port. The ride offers breathtaking views of the cliffs and the sea. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even take a donkey ride back up. The old port is a gateway to boat tours, so it's a great starting point for exploring the Caldera and nearby islands. Now, let's head to one of Santorini's most unique spots, the Red Beach. Located near the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, this beach is famous for its red volcanic cliffs and crystal-clear waters. It's the perfect place to relax, swim or snorkel and explore the underwater world. The contrast between the red cliffs and the blue sea is truly mesmerizing, making it a favorite spot for photographers and nature lovers alike. Speaking of Akrotiri, this ancient Minoan city is a must-see for history buffs. Often called the Pompeii of the Aegean, Akrotiri was preserved under volcanic ash for centuries. Walking through its ruins, you'll get a glimpse of life in Santorini over 3,000 years ago. The site features well-preserved buildings, intricate frescoes, and even ancient plumbing systems, a testament to the advanced civilization that once thrived here. No trip to Santorini is complete without a boat tour around the Caldera. As we sail through the sparkling waters, you'll see the island's dramatic cliffs, hidden coves, and even the active volcano of Nea Kameni. Many tours also include a stop at the hot springs, where you can take a dip in the warm, mineral-rich waters. The boat tour is a fantastic way to see Santorini from a different perspective and learn about its volcanic history. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the famous Santorini sunset. There's no better place to watch it than in Oia, where the sky transforms into a canvas of orange, pink and purple hues. Trust me, it's a sight you'll never forget. The sunset in Santorini is more than just a daily event. It's a celebration of nature's beauty, and people from all over the world gather here to witness it. Looking for a place to stay? The Greco Hotel in Fira is a fantastic choice. With its stunning Caldera views, luxurious amenities and warm Greek hospitality, it's the perfect home base for your Santorini adventure. The hotel offers spacious rooms, a swimming pool, and a rooftop terrace where you can enjoy breakfast with a view. It's also conveniently located near Fira's main attractions, making it easy to explore the island. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at Santorini's map. The island is small but packed with incredible sights. From Oia in the north to Akrotiri in the south, every corner has something special to offer. The island's unique crescent shape is the result of a massive volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, which created the Caldera and shaped the landscape we see today. Of course, no visit to Santorini is complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Greek food is known for its fresh ingredients and bold flavors, and Santorini is no exception. Try dishes like moussaka, souvlaki and spanakopita at a seaside taverna. Pair your meal with a glass of local wine and don't forget to save room for dessert. Baklava and galaktobureko are must-tries. While Oia and Fira are the most famous villages, Santorini has plenty of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Take a trip to Pyrgos, a charming village with medieval architecture and panoramic views of the island, or visit Megalochori, a quiet village known for its traditional houses and vineyards. These lesser-known spots offer a more authentic and peaceful experience of Santorini. Santorini is also famous for its wine, thanks to its volcanic soil and unique climate. The island is home to several wineries where you can sample local varieties like Assyrtiko, Nicteri, and Vinsanto. A wine tasting tour is a great way to learn about Santorini's winemaking traditions and enjoy some of the best wines in Greece. If you're looking for a beach day, head to Pyrgos Beach on the island's southeast coast. Known for its black volcanic sand and clear waters, Pyrgos is a popular spot for swimming and sunbathing. The beach is lined with restaurants and bars, so you can enjoy a refreshing drink or a seafood lunch while taking in the view. Santorini is more than just a destination, it's an experience. Whether you're exploring its charming villages, relaxing on its unique beaches, or marveling at its stunning sunsets, this island will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Start planning your Santorini adventure today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more travel guides like this one. And if you've been to Santorini, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring and dreaming of your next adventure. Kalo Taxidi, that's Greek for safe travels.